getting my stuff for my new desk setup. Hi friends, we just got back home. The little clip that y'all saw before was me in Ikea because I was getting some new like furniture stuff to set up for a new desk, which I will show you guys. I'm so excited about this new system and everything. I wanted one of these type of desk styles or whatever you want for the longest time, and I was finally able to get one. And yeah, obviously back home now, as y'all can see, gotta get the stuff out of the back. That's all of it in the back there. But I came back downstairs because I had packages that were delivered while we were gone, which is like inventory and stuff that I needed. So excited. Y'all will all see this stuff later. But I didn't really vlog too much in Ikea because I still have to get used to vlogging in public. I be a little shy. I be scared, girl. I be scared. But anyways, I had to take some of the stuff out because obviously I need help bringing the other stuff upstairs because it's too heavy. So the one thing I'm about to take out right now is the little chair that I got. The other chair that I wanted to get, they didn't freaking have. They only had one part of it. They had the actual chair, but they didn't have the little swivel part that goes to it. And I was like, bruh. I was so mad because the chair is so cute. It was a beige chair which would have matched with my colors and the theme that I want to go for perfectly. So instead I got a different chair because I need a desk chair. Like I need a desk chair. Ended up getting that. I also have to go to Target because I ordered a bookshelf to use in placement of the storage units that I have now for my business, and I have to go pick that up. But obviously I need to get this stuff out of the back so that that will be able to fit in the trunk because I don't know how big it is or how big the box will be, and this stuff back here takes up quite a bit of space, so I need to take that out before I can go run to Target and pick it up. I did it as a drive-up order because girl, I was not gonna go in there and have to bring it out myself. Or I'll show you the room before, what it looks like before, and then putting everything together and how it's gonna look after, because girl, it's gonna look fire. I'll see you in a little bit. This is some inventory that I just got from outside. Obviously all the packages are from Amazon, but yeah. So y'all don't judge me, but this is like kind of what I'm working with right now. It looks worser than it is, like literally worse than it is, but I was in here last night doing stuff and trying to put different stuff away. So this entire room is going to be transformed. I'm about to clean all of this stuff out. I'm gonna have a new storage system and everything, and it's gonna look so nice because this right now is not it, sweetheart. It is not. First thing I'm gonna start with is taking apart this organizer back here because I bought a bookshelf from Target that I'm actually gonna use to store like some of my inventory and ingredients and stuff that I use, because I find that this isn't really functional for me anymore because I have heavy things, and I mean, obviously I can put the heavy things on the bottom, but I want something that's more practical. I don't even know if this is making sense. I mean, it's practical, but I just don't need it anymore. I just don't need to use it. I don't even know where I'm going to put this stuff, but we finna get to it, okay? Okay, so step one is done. I've taken apart the whole little organizer thing, and I'm about to like put them away, take them downstairs so that they're not in the way, like store them away or whatever. So this entire section is empty, and I'm gonna put the bookshelf here because first of all, it's a whole new day, but the bookshelf has been set up. So this is what the bookshelf looks like. I didn't film putting it together because girl, it was tragic, but I'm about to start putting the rest of my products on there. As you can see, I already have a gallon of oil sitting on there. This entire shelving unit is going to be filled with my ingredients and stuff that I use to make products. And yeah, so I've made some progress. That's, yeah. But this, I'm currently cleaning this table off because I'm going to take this table out and put in my new little desk system, which is going to be these Alex drawers and a tabletop that's going to go on top of it. So I'm cleaning stuff off. I just cleaned off this half of the table, like I said, and then I put some stuff away already into the drawers, which I'll show later. But oh, not it coming on. Okay, y'all, so we have made some progress. This is what my desk looks like. I'm so excited that it's finally set up. It's actually just a tabletop and then two of the Alex drawers. Everything is from Ikea. And then so far I placed my desktop computer up there and then my laptop's just sitting there. So this section of the room is pretty okay. Also do have to set up my chair, but I'm not going to set that up right now. I'm going to wait because the stuff that I need is downstairs. But girl, if you turn around, girl, this is still all of the mess we have to go. And then my freaking shutter fell over and came open, so I need to close that back up. But girl, you still see all of this? I did eventually put some stuff on the bookshelf, which you guys actually saw earlier, but I'll show that later on in this video because obviously there's stuff over here that needs to be cleaned up. Like this, I'm gonna put back over here onto the desk. This I need to clean out and stuff. And I feel like this looks a hot mess right now, but I promise it's not, because it looks like a lot of stuff, but actually no, I'm lying. It is a lot of stuff, but everything has a place and it's not going to take me that long to, you know, place it. So once everything is put away, then it'll look good, and I'm so excited for how everything's going to turn out. Set up the bookshelf and I took out those big pieces. I still have to take out this shelving. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see. I'm going to remove this shelf and take it out of the room and put it downstairs because I'm going to use it for all of like my couponing and stuff, because I just feel like it's taking up too much space being in here. I'm going to move the printer over into the bookshelf. I probably will move this stuff down or move it up so that I can put the printer in the middle, because I was going to put it on the top shelf, but I feel like that's too much weight up there, so I want to kind of put it in the middle so that way I can still reach it and stuff, you know. But yeah, like I was saying, this shelving unit is going to come out of here and go downstairs. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow so that I can put all of this in like one big tote and carry it downstairs so I don't have to keep coming up and down the steps. And then like I said, I still have to clean this up out of the way, so I'm probably going to do this tomorrow and take care of the rest of this tonight. So I'm putting my Cricut onto my desk also, but I feel like it might take up a little bit of too much space because I kind of like how it looks right now with not really that many things on it, because it still looks nice and neat, and I want to keep it that way. I don't want to clutter it up with too many things. So the Cricut might also end up going on the bookshelf. I don't know, we will see. It'll probably stay on the desk, or I'll keep it like underneath of the desk, and then when I do need to use it, I'll pull it out and then use it and then put it back that way, because I don't use my Cricut every single day. I will be using it eventually every single day soon when I start making labels and stuff, but right now I don't use it all the time. I'm gonna finish up cleaning. I may or may not show y'all, I don't know yet, but if y'all don't see anything else from me, I will see you guys tomorrow and I will show you an update. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. It is May 5th and I'm getting ready to go to the bank. It's like 10 something in the morning right now, and this is the little fit check. Oh, now my camera about to die, girl. This is the fit check. I just got on this like gray girl. I have on this brown like taupe-ish kind of color sweatsuit set, and then you know I got my new purse. It's my new purse and it's so cute, girl. But anyways, that's what I'm about to do, so I decided I would take y'all along with me, but my camera is about to die, so I don't know how much footage I will get, but we shall see. It's like 2 days later, but everything is finished. I'll show y'all that later, but right now I'm actually planning content for like this week. Well, not even really this week, because this week is basically over. It's Thursday and I haven't really posted on my business page at all because I've been so busy with like reorganizing my room and stuff, but I know that's bad, so I'm coming back with the content harder. I might show you like a little sneak peek of the content and how I plan. Actually, no, I'm gonna do a separate video on how I plan my content, how I outline everything it looks and stuff. So this is how everything is looking now. Anyways, like I was saying, it's still a little bit messy, but it's gonna be cleaned up after I go get my totes. So I have the bookshelf over there with my products. This little jiffy mess is gonna get cleaned up once I get the totes, because I need to put this stuff in the totes, and I also need to put some of my inventory on this bookshelf as well. But I have new inventory. I'm gonna do an inventory unboxing. I still haven't opened anything yet because I wanted to clean up this room beforehand. So once I do that unboxing and figure out where this stuff needs to go on the bookshelf, then this stuff is gonna go on the bookshelf as well. I was thinking about getting a second bookshelf of this because this might not be enough space by itself, but after everything is placed on there, then I will think about that. This shelf is still here, but it's going downstairs today finally, since I had everything cleaned up. I didn't want to touch this until I was done with all of that mess that was on the floor. This is all my coupon and stuff. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you know your girl be couponing like every day. So this is just some of my coupon stuff. The rest of it is downstairs, so that's where that's gonna go, along with this shelving unit that I'm gonna use for it. The printer is gonna go on the bookshelf like I was saying, and then this little thing, I don't know if I'm going to throw it away or keep it and use it for something else. This is what I need to hang up on the wall. It's just like a huge monthly calendar. I feel like I showed this in a video before. I did, but if you didn't see that video, I'll show it again. Let me move this out of the way. But it just has like a big monthly calendar there. Then you have your weekly, and then like a little to-do checklist type of thing as well. So I'm gonna hang that up probably later today. I want to find out or figure out where I want it to go, so I'm gonna have to hold it up on the wall and all of that stuff. Over here I have this bookshelf that still needs to be cleaned up. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this for now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or like give it away or whatever, but I have some samples over there, some wholesale stuff that I need to put away. A lot of this stuff is also going to go on the bookshelf, but like I was saying, I need to do my inventory unboxing first before I can put this away. And then Miss Girl, we turn over here and we have my desk. It is kind of a mess right now because I'm organizing stuff, and like I was saying, I was filming my video, but yeah, I'm so obsessed with this desk. Y'all don't know how long I have wanted this style of desk. Back when I used to watch all the beauty gurus and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a beauty guru one day, da, da, da. I was like, I need these Alex drawers. So I got 2 of the Alex drawers, and then the tabletop. I do not know how to pronounce the name, but I will link everything down below if y'all are interested, or actually I might link it down below, or once I do like my office tour, I'll link it down below. Who knows, girl, whatever. Also have to get this together, which I'm taking stuff out of here to put into here and whatnot. But yeah,